Hello. Today is the third part of series on how to complete card operation using PHP PDO. In today's video, we'll learn how to delete data from table using PHP PDO method. And I have discussed in the previous video how to fetch data from database and show it in table using PHP method. And I have shared the link of the entire card operation playlist in this description box. Please check it. Okay. This is my table and go to editor and here add edit and delete option. Copy, paste here. Edit, delete, save, reload the page. Okay. Now TD open and TD close. Tag open and close, delete, save and reload the page. Okay, and here add one tag for edit, save. Now pass the ID in the next page or delete.php page. Tag and href equal to pass the ID in the delete.php page. delete1.php question mark ID equal to PHP echo $row square bracket pass ID and save. Reload the page to delete. Okay, delete one not found. Copy the URL. Editor Ctrl N and S and V. PHP. Save. Table 1, copy first this line, paste here, save and copy catch block, paste here and save. Okay. After set PDO error mode to exception, we write or check if the ID parameter is provided or not. Okay. Next is check if the ID parameter is provided. If it's set $_get that get the ID. $ID equal to $_get ID. And now start try block And here prepare and execute the SQL statement to delete the record. $stmt equal to $con prepare now write a delete query. Delete from my table name is registration. Copy registration, paste here. Where condition is ID equal to colon ID. $stmt bind parameter colon ID comma $ID $stmt execute. Now redirect to success page or display success message. Display a success message. Header location table1.php page. Save and exit. After try block, we start catch block for display an error message. Catch PDO exception $e copy this line and paste here, and after catch else handle the case where the ID parameter is not provided. Okay, handle the case where the ID parameter is not provided. Echo invalid request. Save. Go to browser. This is the table page and reload the database. Okay. First, I delete the ID 6. Delete. Click the delete. And delete the data from table and reload or browse the database. And ID 6 is delete. This way, you delete the data from the table using PDO method. Thank you.